Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Muhammad Arif Safwan bin Wan Aziz. I'm going to talk about precast element and structural analysis. The precast element of this project are columns and beams. So, the 90 columns were used and the size of the columns are 300 x 300 mm, while the beams are 200 x 400 mm. The size of the column stump is also 300 x 300 mm, while the footing size is 600 x 600 x 200 mm. The next figure shows the structural analysis.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zulhiri bin Ma'wa, and so for today I'm going to talk about cadangan membina rumah 2 tingkat di atas lot 1323 Jalan Bukit Indah 3/Trend, Taman Bukit Indah, Mukim Hulu Kelang, daerah Gombak, Selangor Darul Ehsan. So for the duration to complete the construction are 306 days, while the start finish of the construction are from 4 January 2022, and the date finish of the project are 9 January 2023. This project take almost 1 year to finish, and the percent complete of the project are 100%, since the project follow the construction planning. Next, I'm going to talk about the physical S-curve. So, for the physical S-curve, as we can see on the video, on the picture, the start project are on February 2022, and the end of the project are on the January 2023. Okay, so at the 1st February, the cost of the financial are getting increased until the October slowly, while at the October 2022, the graph are become highly grow into getting increase into around 650,000, and the data are getting flat until the January 2022. While for the physical S-curve, the 1st February are 11%, March are 20%, August are 39%, May are 50%, June 6%, July is 98%. The schedule are still following the based on the project, but the project are a bit late at the first and the second of the project. For the cash flow, for the CPM, the work that have been done is prelim work, structure work, architecture work, mechanical work, external work, and closing work. That's all from me. Next, I will pass my presentation to my friend Nur Amira.
Based on this slide, we can see three tables entitled Door Schedule, Structural Column, and Electrical Equipment Schedule. For door schedule, it shows the type of door and their dimension. The total cost for door is RM8,970. Next, for electrical equipment, there are two lighting and appliance panel board, which is cost RM7,000. Lastly, we have structural column schedule. This schedule shows the type of column that used for this project is rectangular precast concrete. The size is 300mm times 300mm. The total column used is 39 and cost RM9,750. Next, in this slide, we can see electrical circuit and piping system schedule. Electrical circuit schedule shows the system and connection for each load classification. The voltage for each appliance is 120 volt. For piping system, there are three types of system that we use for this project, which is domestic cold water, hydronic supply, and sanitary system.
For electrical, this is the power plant for the bungalow. Here is the ground floor specific in power. Type of cable that we use is THWN with panel 600A 120 volt to 200A 208 volt, 3 phase with 4 wire. The connection type that used is breaker. Next is first floor. The specification for first floor is same with ground floor. I'm continue with ground floor lighting. The type and panel for lighting is the same with previous, and the connection that being used is feed through lung. Here is the first floor for lighting drawing. This is the list of type of lighting fixture and electrical equipment. So in this slide you can see lighting and appliance panel board 208 volt, downlight recessed can CNC incandescent, shielding light, lighting switch door, duplex receptacle GFCI, wire type THWN, and lastly is pendant lighting fixture 1x4 120 volt.
For plumbing system, this consists of water closet, sink, shower stall, flow drain, strainer, and the type of pipe used is PVC.